Now let's look at systematic investment plan. This is a better option than fixed deposit because it gives you the benefits of compounding. This basically means that the returns on your investments are reinvested and earn interest again. The interest earned by your investment then becomes the base on which future earnings are calculated, thus earning even more money. In contrast to this, when you make a fixed deposit, your money gets deposited into an account and stays there until you withdraw at a later date. So, if someone were to tell you that they have invested 100,000 into a fixed deposit for 10 years at the rate of 5% per annum, what does this mean? It simply means that after 10 years, if they withdraw their 100,000 naira from their account, they would get back 150,000 naira. That is 5% for 10 years, more than what they had put in originally. That is why SIP, that is systematic investment plan, is or are better because in compounding you earn interest on the principal and on the interest amount earned as well.